welcome to my channel and to this super quick instant clean with me. I'm cleaning our bedroom and little bathroom. For those of you that are new here, I create longer form videos where I clean my entire house from top to bottom, as well as these shorter quick hits of clean and motivation. So make sure that you subscribe for more weekly cleaning content. As you can see, I'm beginning this clean in my dressing room before I move to the rest of the bedroom. I literally remove everything from my makeup desk, put it away or just put it to one side so that I can clean all of the work surfaces.
You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire.
Yes, my makeup brushes need to be cleaned. I will make time for that later this week, but not today.
Spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire, fire, fire. You feel my fire, fire, fire. You feel my fire.
I'm dusting both of the windowsills in here because they just get really dusty. Also, I only changed my bedding a couple of days ago, so that's fine. Usually I would have done all of this together, but I've saved myself a job. I always make sure that the beds are made because it just makes me feel so much more organised and in control.
Please don't walk away. I love you when yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. Don't do right by me, I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. Don't do right by me, I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know.
I've just watered my orchid plant, so I'm popping that back on the windowsill to soak up the sunlight. This little shower room is part of our bedroom, so while I'm cleaning this space, I wanted to clean in here too. I'm starting off with cleaning the mirror and the sink, and then I'll work my way around the room.
couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, ooh, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, ooh, closer than before.
There's a lot of shampoo stains on these shower doors and they're really taking some elbow grease to remove. If anyone has any tips for breaking down and removing shampoo stains easily, then please leave all suggestions in the comments below.
Broken from the start, wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close, closer than before. But I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this, I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like a candle
finishing up in here by mopping the floor. While I have a spare 5 minutes, I'm vacuuming the carpet on the landing. The carpet up here is brand new, so it's so soft and shows up vacuum lines, and that is one of my favourite things.
You're lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than
Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, then make sure you hit that thumbs up button because it really helps my channel's engagement, and also subscribe for more cleaning videos from me. I post cleaning, organising and my routines content twice every week, and I would love to have you join me. I have a whole playlist of cleaning motivation for you to choose from in the description box below if you need it today. Enjoy your nice clean space, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!